Imagine a place where cultures blend seamlessly, where every face tells a story, where diversity blooms in every corner. Welcome to Jamaica. This sun-kissed island nestled in the Caribbean Sea is a true melting pot, a vibrant tapestry woven with stories, cultures and traditions from around the world. Each thread contributes to the rich, colourful fabric that is Jamaica's cultural identity. From the pulsating rhythms of reggae to the tantalizing aromas of jerk cuisine, the influence of Africa, Europe, Asia and the Middle East is palpable. Yet these diverse elements are not merely juxtaposed. They're interwoven, creating a harmonious blend that's uniquely Jamaican. This richness, this vibrancy, this celebration of diversity is what makes Jamaica more than just an island. It's a symphony of experiences, a mosaic of faces, a dance of cultures. Jamaica is more than just an island. It's a kaleidoscope of cultures, traditions and stories waiting to be explored. In Jamaica, every face is a chapter in the book of diversity. As we delve deeper into the heart of Jamaica, we encounter faces that reflect a myriad of backgrounds and experiences. Each person, each story, adds a unique thread to the vibrant tapestry that is Jamaica. Take Marley, for example. A proud Maroon descendant, she carries the legacy of her ancestors who were among the first freedom fighters of the New World. Her life, rooted in the verdant hills of Accompong, is a testament to resilience and endurance, echoing the indomitable spirit of her Maroon heritage. Then there is Ravi, a third-generation Indian Jamaican. From the fragrant curry dishes that his family prepares to the vibrant Diwali celebrations they partake in, Ravi's life is a beautiful blend of his Indian roots and Jamaican upbringing. His story is one of harmonious coexistence, a testament to Jamaica's warm embrace of diversity. We also meet Sarah, a Chinese Jamaican. She shares tales of her grandparents who arrived on the island in the early 20th century, founding one of the first Chinese groceries in Kingston. Sarah's life is a rich canvas of cultural fusion, where Chinese traditions seamlessly merge with Jamaican lifestyle. And let's not forget Pedro, a Spanish Jamaican. His lineage traces back to the early Spanish settlers. Today, his family's love for flamenco music and Spanish cuisine coexists beautifully with their passion for reggae and jerk chicken. These individuals, their lives, their stories, are but a snapshot of the diverse faces that make up Jamaica. They embody the spirit of unity and diversity, each contributing to the cultural richness of this island nation in their own unique way. From the Maroons to the descendants of Indian, Chinese and Spanish settlers, from the indigenous Taino to the Afro-Jamaicans, every face, every story is a testament to Jamaica's rich heritage and diversity. These are the faces of Jamaica, each telling a unique story, all contributing to the diverse tapestry of our nation. The heart of Jamaica beats to the rhythm of cultural fusion. Picture a vibrant tapestry woven with threads from Africa, Europe, Asia and the Middle East. These threads, each representing a different culture, intertwine to create Jamaica's unique identity. Imagine the pulsating beats of African drums merging seamlessly with the smooth melodies of European strings. Picture the vivid colors of Indian textiles blending gracefully with the intricate patterns of Middle Eastern art. This is the beauty of cultural fusion in Jamaica. It's a symphony of diverse elements harmonizing to create a singular, enchanting narrative. In Jamaica, every dance move tells a story, every song echoes a shared history, and every dish savors the essence of a myriad of cultures. The Jamaican patois language itself is a testament to this fusion, with its rich mix of influences from West Africa, Spain, Portugal and England. Yet in this diversity, there is unity. The cultural fusion in Jamaica is not just about borrowing and blending, it's about respect, appreciation and celebration of each other's cultures. It's about understanding that while we may dance to different rhythms, we are all part of the same dance. In the end, the cultural fusion in Jamaica goes beyond just a mix of traditions, languages and cuisines. It's about a shared spirit of unity, creativity and resilience. In Jamaica, cultural fusion is not just a phenomenon, it's a way of life. Traditions in Jamaica are a dance of unity and diversity. A vibrant tableau of festivals, ceremonies and events, Jamaica's traditions are a testament to the island's rich cultural blend. They are the threads that weave the diverse communities together, creating a tapestry of unity in diversity. Take the pulsating rhythms of the Yonkunu, for instance. This historical festival with roots in West African culture is a grand spectacle of music, dance and colourful costumes. It's not just a performance, it's a celebration of freedom and resilience, a vibrant reminder of Jamaica's African heritage. Then there's the Maroon Festival, a stirring commemoration of the strength and resilience of the Maroons, the island's first freedom fighters. Their legacy lives on in the vibrant community of Akompong, where the festival is held each year. It's a powerful symbol of unity, a celebration that transcends ethnic and cultural boundaries. And who could forget the annual Festival of the Performing Arts? It's a stage where young and old alike showcase their talents in music, dance, drama and speech. It's a platform that embraces all, regardless of their background or culture. These events, and many more, form the heart of Jamaica's inclusive traditions. They are more than just celebrations. They are the bridges that connect diverse communities, fostering a sense of belonging and unity. These traditions remind us that diversity is not about differences, but about coming together and celebrating who we are. A bite into Jamaican cuisine is a journey through its diverse cultures. Here, every plate tells a story, each ingredient a testament to the varied influences that have shaped this island's culinary landscape. From the African-inspired jerk seasoning, the Spanish-introduced escovitch fish, to the Indian-influenced curry goat, each dish is a delicious chapter in Jamaica's multicultural narrative. In Jamaica, food is a vibrant celebration. It's a unifying force, bringing together people from different backgrounds at the dining table. The shared love for food transcends differences, highlighting the common threads that bind us all. Festivals, street food stalls, family gatherings, they're all brimming with an array of dishes that tell the tale of Jamaica's cultural fusion. It's a feast for the senses, a delectable dance of flavors that leaves a lasting impression, much like Jamaica itself. In Jamaica, food is not just sustenance, it's a flavorful expression of our diverse heritage. In Jamaica, every voice matters. Community leaders, activists and everyday heroes alike are the heartbeat of this island's vibrant fabric. They are the champions of inclusivity, the advocates for understanding and the guardians of diversity. Their stories are as varied as the colours of our kaleidoscope, yet they share a common goal: to nurture a society where everyone is seen, heard and valued. These voices, echoing from the peaks of the Blue Mountains to the bustling streets of Kingston, are the pillars of our diverse and inclusive community. Art in Jamaica is a vibrant canvas of diversity. It's a dynamic realm where melodies, movements and visuals intertwine, telling tales of our myriad cultures. From the rhythmic beats of reggae echoing our resilience, to the lively dances that tell tales of our history, and the vivid visual arts that reflect our diverse roots. Creativity becomes a powerful medium for expressing the rich tapestry of our diversity. Through art, we celebrate our diversity, we express our unity, and we paint our colourful story. Jamaica's story is a testament to the beauty of diversity. This vibrant tapestry of cultures, traditions and stories represents a harmonious symphony of coexistence. Each thread, each colour, each pattern contributes to the nation's identity, making it a true melting pot. The richness of this diversity is not confined to Jamaica. It's a universal treasure, a lesson in unity and understanding. Embrace diversity not just in Jamaica but in your lives and communities. Let's celebrate our differences, for they make us who we are.